Ever feel like your money just vanishes? Like you know you got paid, but suddenly it's the end of the month and you're wondering where it all went? You're not alone. Managing finances can be a real struggle, and that's why budgeting apps like PocketGuard have become so popular. They promise to simplify everything, giving you a clear picture of your spending and helping you stay on track. But are these apps all they're cracked up to be? Today, we're diving deep into PocketGuard and exploring its potential downsides. Because while it offers some great features, there are also some disadvantages you should be aware of before you jump in. PocketGuard, at its core, is a budgeting app that connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to give you an overview of your financial situation. It categorizes your transactions, tracks your spending, and even shows you how much in my pocket money you have left after covering essential expenses. Sounds great, right? And it can be. But let's talk about the not-so-great aspects. One of the biggest issues some users have with PocketGuard is its reliance on automated categorization. While the app tries its best to categorize your transactions correctly, it often falls short. You might find groceries categorized as entertainment, or a utility bill lumped in with dining out. This miscategorization can throw off your entire budget and make it difficult to get an accurate picture of where your money is actually going. You then have to manually recategorize everything, which can be time-consuming and frustrating, defeating the purpose of having an automated system in the first place. Another common complaint is the lack of customization. While PocketGuard offers some basic budgeting tools, it doesn't provide the same level of granular control as some other budgeting apps. For example, you might not be able to create custom categories that perfectly match your spending habits, or you might find the reporting features to be somewhat limited. If you're someone who likes to meticulously track every penny and analyze your spending in detail, you might find PocketGuard a bit too simplistic. Security is always a concern when dealing with financial apps, and PocketGuard is no exception. While the company uses encryption and other security measures to protect your data, there's always a risk when you connect your bank accounts to a third-party app. Data breaches can happen, and it's important to be aware of the potential risks before you share your financial information. You should always research the app's security practices and make sure you're comfortable with the level of security they offer. Furthermore, some users have reported issues with the app's performance. It can be slow to sync with bank accounts, or it might occasionally crash or freeze. These technical glitches can be incredibly annoying, especially when you're trying to manage your finances on the go. A buggy app can quickly become more of a hindrance than a help. Finally, while PocketGuard offers a free version, some of its more advanced features, like debt payoff planning and net worth tracking, require a paid subscription. While the paid version might be worth it for some users, others might find the cost prohibitive, especially if they're on a tight budget. It's important to weigh the costs and benefits before you decide to subscribe. So, is PocketGuard a bad app? Not necessarily. It can be a useful tool for some people, especially those who are new to budgeting or who prefer a simple, straightforward approach. However, it's important to be aware of its limitations. The inaccurate categorization, limited customization, potential security risks, performance issues, and cost of premium features are all factors you should consider before you decide to use PocketGuard. It might be a good starting point, but you might find yourself outgrowing it as your budgeting needs become more complex. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.